Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download your Nedbank statement, and I'll guide you through every menu so you don't get lost. You can do this on the Nedbank Money app or on Nedbank Online Banking, and the steps are almost the same. Make sure you watch right until the end so you don't miss anything important. So let's get started. First, open the Nedbank Money app on your phone, or if you're on a computer, go to Nedbank Online Banking. Log in using your Nedbank ID. If you're on the app, you can also use your fingerprint or your app PIN. Once you've logged in, look for the option called More at the bottom of the app, or if you're online, go straight to Statements and Documents in the menu. Select Statements and Documents, and then open up the section called Statements. Here you'll see a list of all your accounts. Choose the account you want the statement for. Once that's open, you'll see a list of available statements by month or by date range. Pick the period you need, and then tap or click on Download. If you're on the app, the PDF will save directly to your phone, and you'll find it in your Downloads folder. If you're using online banking, your browser may ask you to confirm by clicking Save, and then it will also go into your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it, keep it for your records, or share it by email or WhatsApp. One thing to keep in mind is that older statements, usually anything more than 3 months back, might not always be available right away. In some cases, you may need to request them separately, or there may be an extra charge, and that's it. That's how you download your Nedbank statement quick and easily. Like and subscribe if this helped.